Hey guys, what's up? It's Tyler with Analytive, and today I have something super special I want to send your way, and that is a PPC, pay-per-click cheat sheet. Right, so we manage PPC for a ton of our clients, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, display ads, I mean, you name it, we've managed it either for ourselves, for our clients, and one of the challenges with pay-per-click is always determining what is good. Right? How do you know if the ad is good? How do you know if the landing page is good? How do you know if the offer is good? Well, what we've done is we've created actually a cheat sheet that you can download and you can print off. You can put it on a whiteboard. You can put it, on your computer screen, hanging off the bottom, wherever. It's super simple. It has 4 quadrants, and it lets you know based on the click-through rate and the conversion rate which of your ads and landing pages are working and which aren't, and then tells you actually how to fix them in the sense that, like, oh, this is probably an ad issue that you need to work on your ads. This is a landing page issue. It's super simple, and it's a guide that I have our team use. It's a guide that I use when I'm trying to evaluate our pay-per-click stuff. I'm making it free to you. So just go ahead, enter your email, click the link, enter the email, download it, print it off, put it somewhere where it's helpful, because I know that if you implement what we talk about here, it will make your pay-per-click campaigns better. It just will, because this is what we use all the time and it works. So anyway, excited to get that over to you. Click on the link and we'll get it to you.